Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying the log you need and your calculator's capabilities. If it has log and ln keys, use them for base 10 and base e respectively. Once done, decide whether you need a non-standard base. If so, plan to use change of base. Make sure to enter expressions inside parentheses when the argument contains operations. This avoids order of operations mistakes. If your device has a mode or shift key for scientific functions, enable it now so the log keys respond correctly. You now handle more involved inputs by using change of base when the base isn't 10 or e. Compute log x/log b or ln x/ln b. Once you open the parentheses, enter the entire expression, operations, fractions, or exponents, before pressing the log key so the calculator treats it as a single argument. For powers, type the base, press the power key, enter the exponent, close parentheses, then apply log. Make sure to press equals after completing each step to avoid partial evaluations or unexpected results. You finish by verifying the numeric result, storing values in memory if you need them for further steps, and rounding as required. If the calculator returns an error, immediately check that the argument is positive, parentheses are balanced, and you use the correct base or change of base formula. Make sure to use inverse functions like 10x or ex to reverse a log and confirm your work. If things still fail, clear the input, re-enter carefully, and repeat the exact sequence to replicate and fix the mistake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.